is up, YouTube? So, I went to the flea market again. I went to the Middlesbrough one. They didn't have nothing, so I went to the London one. And we got another new pet, but he ain't up here. We got him somewhere else because he's a little crazy. But I'll take you to him. He was perfectly fine when we bought him. And now he's just went all beast mode on us and don't want to fool with us. But here, I'm going to feed everything and all that. And then I'll show, well, I fed them last night. They don't need fed this morning. They got food on the ground. But guys, Hershey's wanting to show y'all herself this morning. So here you go. Hello, Hershey. Hello, baby. This is a sweet little girl. Hello. Oh. Where do you think you're going? Hershey. Where do you think you're going? Huh? I put her some straw in here because she seemed to really be liking it. She's going, I know exactly where she's going, guys. There's a sweet feed bag. Look. So, the pig got out. Like, got out of its cage. So I said I couldn't come put sweet feed in it. She thinks, but we'll feed her some real quick. Hold on. Here she. Here she. Oh, that's good, ain't it? Get some more? Here, Hershey. Hershey. Alright, so Hershey really likes apples. So I'm going to try to do this one-handed. You hear her outside? Alright, I got the apples. Let's go give it to her. Hershey! Why are you hollering, honey? See, guys, she really likes apples. Here you go, Hershey. She just didn't hells and but yeah, Hershey's a good girl. That's my girl. She's like my dog, guys. I love Hershey. But anyways, guys, I turned some roosters out. They're right there and right there. My camera ain't gonna focus. But we turned 5 out. Yeah, 5. So that pen over there is looking not too many. My rabbit should be having babies any day. Go check on Hershey before we go show you the live action animal. Look, Hershey follows me. Oh, I built this for them too. The chickens, they can roost on them. Guys, y'all gotta let me know if you think she's pregnant. She should. My gosh! Guys, I just gave them a full scoop yesterday. My quail ain't laying eggs right now. He's useless. And Hershey found some feed on the ground. Big Pete's doing alright. Oh, we can't forget Oreo. Look, guys, I'm gonna put Hershey up and I'm gonna take you down there and show you our new animal. Here's a hint. He's nasty. He likes mud. and he loves to eat. So while we're on our way down there, let's see if you can figure it out. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we made it to the place. Now we're gonna go see the new animal. Okay, y'all aren't gonna be ready for this one. So I got him in this thing, big box. Had to put that up because he can get out, which he's got out all day, so it don't matter. Oh, guys, I thought the pig had got out again. Say hello. Say hello, buddy. Yeah, see guys, he's a little, I guess you could say scared. I don't know. But guys, we're gonna have to go in there with him. So I'll be right back. Alright, so we're going in for the kill shot, guys. If he attacks, it's on camera. He's moved something. I mean, guys, it's just a pig. How mean can it be? You know what I'm saying? He moved his cinder block. I know what his little hind end's trying to do. He's trying to dig out of this place, and I ain't gonna let him. Look where he's done been digging over here, guys. You are trying to get out, ain't you? But yeah, this is my uncle's old little pen. I got him plenty of food, plenty of water, apples. He ought to be living a happy life, but he ain't. He is mean. But if he don't straighten up, guys, one of y'all can buy him. If the pig does not straighten up, he is up for grabs. Well, he's got a pretty good little house in there. It shouldn't bother him too much. But guys, my rabbit should be having babies here soon. We'll probably get another animal. But guys, I just wanted to make a quick little video on my new animal. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.